Have you seen the all-terrain vehicle that resembles a reptile? It can practically climb walls! Or what about the hydrogen-powered off-roader? You go out into the taiga, fill it up with water, and off you go! I'll tell you about the craziest projects so you understand what kind of off-roaders to expect in the near future. And at the end, I'll show you a crazy development for National Geographic so journalists can reach any point in the world. And let's start with a truly futuristic project, the Taranis concept designed by English designer Pete Norris for Citroën. Truly resembles something between a spaceship and a future aircraft, which could impress characters like Batman and Optimus Prime. The name Taranis comes from the Celtic god of thunder, known for his association with lightning and the wheel, emphasizing the power and energy of this conceptual off-roader. Pete Norris, prior to creating Taranis, was involved in developing vehicles for video games, which explains the futuristic design of this car. The concept offers revolutionary features, such as a steering wheel shaped like an airplane yoke and interactive displays for showing important information, including one embedded directly into the steering wheel. Taranis is equipped with 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, providing a high level of maneuverability and off-road capability. Despite its unusual appearance and large size, which make it less suitable for ordinary roads, the vehicle guarantees stability on any terrain, thanks to independent wheel units and a centralized control system that constantly adjusts the position of the wheels for optimal support and a low center of gravity. Pete Norris claims that these innovations not only increase the safety and stability of Taranis on and off the road, but also do not affect its ability to tackle rough terrain. Thus, Taranis embodies advanced technologies and design mastery. It's not just beautiful and unusual, but capable of overcoming almost any obstacle. Well, let's see what the outcome will be. It sounds really promising. Russian company Global Terranica has announced the start of sales for a new tracked off-roader called Expedition, whose design was developed by specialists from the Cartier studio. It looks like a spaceship! This off-roader features a futuristic design and is designed to move both on difficult terrain and on water surfaces. Expedition is built on an aluminum chassis shaped like a boat, which increases its waterproofness and buoyancy. The design allows lightweight composite body panels to be installed on the off-roader. A unique feature is the lift-up doors, as well as front and rear hatches, providing easy access to the interior space, which can be transformed into a dining area or sleeping area. The powertrain of the Expedition is hybrid, consisting of 2 electric motors with 82 horsepower each and a generator with 54 horsepower supported by a pair of 40-gallon fuel tanks each. This system allows the off-roader to cover a distance of up to 621 miles without refueling, with a maximum speed of 43 miles per hour and a total vehicle weight of 5,300 pounds. One of the key advantages of the Expedition is its high maneuverability and off-road capability, thanks to tracks with electric drive, making it more efficient compared to traditional tracked off-roaders. Control is done with 2 pedals and a steering wheel, and the ability to pivot on the spot makes it exceptionally convenient to operate in confined spaces. Currently, the Expedition is undergoing final testing before its official market launch. Serial production is planned to begin next year, but the price is not disclosed at the moment. Given the unique characteristics and capabilities of this off-roader, it is expected to generate significant interest among extreme leisure enthusiasts and professionals working in challenging conditions. And as a fan of Italian cars, I just couldn't pass by this project. The van life off-road concept, presented by the Milan-based Advanced Design Studio under the auspices of the Chinese automaker GAC, is a true breakthrough in the automotive industry. offering a vision of the vehicle of the future. Its design resembles a Mars rover and suggested the use of full Level 5 autonomy, allowing it to travel up to 1,240 miles without human intervention. The van life body is symmetrically shaped with LED lights across its width, both front and back, giving it a distinctive and recognizable appearance. The design's feature includes massive airless wheels with retractable fenders and a significant ground clearance, emphasizing its off-road capabilities. To enable autonomous driving, 4 lidars are installed on the roof, and the front panel can be equipped with solar panels for additional energy generation. An innovative orbital frame encompassing the middle part of the vehicle allows for attaching internal and external components from both the outside and inside, providing a strong and reliable structure. This feature also offers passengers the ability to customize the interior with modular components such as smart devices, speakers, lighting fixtures, and storage elements, making the van life an ideal companion for long journeys and expeditions. The off-road platform of the vehicle, equipped with next-generation solid-state batteries, provides outstanding range and high ecological performance. An autonomous navigation system, combining traditional GPS data and star mapping, ensures precise positioning anywhere in the world, making the van life an ideal choice for explorers and adventure enthusiasts seeking to discover new horizons. It's interesting, how much will it cost in the end? Experts preliminarily estimated at $1 million. And what do you think about a two-wheeled off-roader? Phase 2.0 is a unique concept of a single-seat car created by designer Arturo Arinho, which embodies futuristic ideas and innovative approaches to vehicle design and functionality. This concept attracts attention with its unusual placement of the driver inside the wheel or a self-moving sphere, which is quite a bold and innovative design solution. One of the key aspects of Phase 2.0 is its ability to adapt tire pressure to optimize traction on various types of terrain. This allows the vehicle to easily adapt to road conditions by increasing tire pressure for asphalt and decreasing it for soft surfaces like sand. This approach provides high maneuverability and improves the vehicle's performance on different road types. Moreover, Phase 2.0 is designed to lean into turns, adding not only dynamism to handling, but also allowing the car to achieve high speeds while maintaining driver stability and safety. One of the most interesting features of Phase 2.0 is its innovative engine that runs on water, which is burned using a laser. This represents an innovative approach to creating environmentally friendly and efficient energy sources for future vehicles. Phase 2.0's design is reminiscent of the popular movie Tron, using trendy blue lighting, giving the car a particularly futuristic and striking appearance. Although details of the driver's seating arrangement remain undisclosed in the design renderings, the overall design and concept of Phase 2.0 are admirable and confirm designers' efforts to create vehicles that go beyond traditional notions of cars. And remember, I mentioned the hydrogen-powered off-roader. In 2024, the company Rusak unveiled a range of innovative developments, including off-roaders with geophysical equipment for seismic exploration, comfortable tourist buses on off-road bases, and hydrogen engine cars. Geophysical off-roaders are designed for operation in remote areas and are equipped with everything necessary for conducting seismic surveys. Each off-roader has a two-seat cabin with 3 doors, one of which leads directly to the onboard platform where the geophysical equipment is located under a canopy. This allows employees to work comfortably in any weather conditions. The payload capacity of such vehicles is 3.8 to 4.5 tons, sufficient for accommodating a 2-ton geophysical apparatus and additional cargo. The off-roaders are equipped with huge 70 by 28-inch mammoth tires, providing high cross-country ability. In the future, the company plans to expand its range by producing comfortable tourist buses on off-road basis. These buses will be equipped with comfortable seating, air conditioning, and heating systems, and large windows for viewing. Special trailers are provided for the buses. Another direction of the company's development is hydrogen engine cars. These innovative vehicles will operate on fuel cells, generating electricity through the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. However, the use of such engines requires solving a number of challenges, including water disposal, which is a byproduct of the chemical reaction, especially in the conditions of the far north. An important point is that compared to competitors, the Russian manufacturer offers very reasonable prices, so the products are in demand worldwide. What do you think about this strange off-roader? 18 Wheels introduced a revolutionary 18-wheeled electric quad bike equipped with a unique patented suspension system that provides independent movement for each wheel. This innovative vehicle is designed with environmental friendliness and high off-road capability in mind, allowing it to efficiently navigate rocky and uneven terrain without harming the environment. The company first built a prototype in 2022 to test the suspension on various types of ground. After 6 months of testing, an improved second prototype was developed, which has now been presented to the public. It is expected that the final version of the off-roader will be introduced as early as 2024, with production scheduled to begin in another year. The design's feature is the use of flexible curved metal elements holding the wheels, which, combined with an advanced suspension system, provides outstanding maneuverability and the ability to overcome obstacles up to 8 inches high without slowing down. Each wheel is equipped with a complex suspension linkage system and a monoshock, contributing to increased efficiency and comfort while driving. The company's founder, with deep knowledge in physics, used his experience to develop this unique off-roader, applying innovative solutions to achieve high operational efficiency. The off-roader's electric drive not only reduces environmental impact, but also emphasizes its eco-friendliness, including the use of fully recyclable materials in its construction. And this is the most unusual off-roader I've seen. Even walls will become its road. Ji Min Lin, concerned about the growing problem of traffic congestion and increasing numbers of cars in megacities, presented the concept of the U-Wall Lizard off-roader to the world, capable of adapting to the most diverse travel conditions. This innovative vehicle is designed to maneuver easily not only on wide roads, but also on narrow winding streets and off-road terrain. One of the key features of the U-Wall Lizard is its unique wheel construction and attachments, allowing them to be lifted up to 90 degrees and even higher, providing high off-road capability in challenging conditions. The wheels are offered in 2 versions, solid round and segmented, divided into separate parts. This wheel construction is inspired by the functions of reptile claws, allowing the U-Wall Lizard to have excellent traction with the surface and preventing slipping even on loose soils. This off-roader concept is a response to the challenges of modern urban planning and aims to create more adaptive and maneuverable vehicles capable of operating efficiently in densely built-up areas and diverse terrains. The U-Wall Lizard embodies the idea of a car of the future that can offer new solutions for navigating the increasingly complex conditions of modern cities. Just look at this beauty from Jeep. When creating the off-road concept, the designer was inspired by the image of the legendary Jeep Bantam, widely used during World War II. The result is a car that resembles a mix between the Warthog from the Halo video game and the Mercedes-Benz M-Class from the movie Jurassic Park. Designer Max is confident that his creation is perfect for both civilian and military use. Off-roader features, such as 2 rooftop spotlights, a spare wheel, and luggage compartment, underscore its suitability for hunting and other outdoor activities. The powerful radiator grille and overall design of the car stand out for their ruggedness and power, reflecting the military heritage of the Jeep Bantam. Yet the Jeep Survivor has more modern, smooth, and slightly rounded shapes. The designer is proud of the style and comfort that his concept surpasses compared to many existing off-roaders. Although the cabin is designed for only 2 people, it promises maximum comfort during trips on any road. The rear of the car offers enough space for luggage, making it a practical choice for various adventures. As promised, an off-roader for National Geographic. Designer Dong Man Yu, in collaboration with them, has created a unique conceptual off-roader, 2035 Zaire, designed for a team of 5 photographers and allowing them to reach almost any point in the world. This futuristic vehicle has a number of innovative features that make it ideal for exploring the most inaccessible places. One of the key characteristics of the off-roader is its independent suspension and magnetic levitation system for the wheels, which allows the cabin to remain in a horizontal position even on steep slopes, ensuring passengers always feel comfortable. This system, developed by Volkswagen specialists, provides the off-roader with joints that allow the wheels to adapt to any surface irregularities. Additionally, the off-roader is equipped with a feature to raise the central seat to a significant height, allowing photographers to shoot at long distances without leaving the comfort of the vehicle. This feature makes the 2035 Zaire not just a means of transportation, but a powerful tool for explorers and photographers working in extreme conditions. It is expected that this innovative off-roader will be launched in 2035, opening up new horizons for research and photography in the most remote corners of our planet. I sincerely hope that all the projects and concepts will indeed be implemented, and I will be able to review the fully functioning models in the future. If you are interested in this, subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.